Sa pagpapatuloy ng ating Road to 2024 Paris Olympics, kikilalanin naman natin ang Filipino-American gymnast na si Aliyah Finnegan. Dream come true para sa kanya mag-qualify sa Olympics, kaya wala raw siyang sasayanging pagkakataon. Yan ang tinutukan ni JP Soriano.
Flawless technique at cheerful execution ng kanyang routine. Ganyan nakilala si Aliyah Finnegan, ang Filipino-American gymnast na pambato ng Pilipinas sa darating na 2024 Paris Olympics. Nasa Louisiana sa Amerika ngayon si Aliyah, kung saan siya nag-aaral at nag-training bilang parte rin ng gymnastics team ng Louisiana State University. At mula Amerika, eksklusibo siyang nakapanayam ng GMA Integrated News. Kwento sa amin ni Aliyah, galing siya sa pamilya ng gymnast. Katunayan, minsan na rin naging pambato ng bansa ang kanyang ate. 4 na taong gulang nga lang daw siya nang magsimulang sumabak sa gymnastics at naging miyembro ng US Women's National Gymnastics Team. Pero nang dumating daw ang pagkakataon para kay Aliyah na lumaban sa gymnastics para naman sa Pilipinas, hindi niya raw pinalagpas ang pagkakataon. Nakapagbigay na siya ng gintong medalya para sa Pilipinas matapos magreyna sa women's vault category ng artistics gymnastics sa 2022 Southeast Asian Games sa Vietnam. Di nga raw niya malilimutan ang pakiramdam ng sabitan ng gintong medalya habang pinatutugtog ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas na Lupang Hinirang.
It's just one of those moments that you really just hold on to forever. Just, being up on there on the podium, watching the Filipino flag rise as the anthem plays. And my mom was sitting there in the audience, and I got to hug her and embrace her for a few minutes, and she was crying and I was crying. We're a very emotional family, but I just felt so honored to be able to represent that flag. I just wanted to give back in any way that I can.
Siya rin ang kauna-unahang Pilipinong babae na gymnast na nakapasok sa 2024 Paris Olympics.
We're all crying, and it was just, it's so hard to explain the feeling of joy and just like satisfaction and pride and being able to, finally have that, I did it moment. It's such a dream come true.
Excited din si Aliyah dahil sa unang pagkakataon, magsasama-sama ang lahat ng Pilipinong atletang pasok sa Olympics sa isang training camp sa Metz, France, bago pa ang mismong kompetisyon.
I think that's really helpful from an athlete's perspective. You have to take into things like time zone, maybe you're jet lagged. You have to think of the different foods that you could be eating there, and just all of the adjustments that come with traveling to a foreign country that you're not necessarily used to.
Dito makakasama niya ang kapwa Pinoy gymnast at Olympian na si Carlos Yulo, na sabi na Aliyah ay idol niya.
I remember fangirling the first time that I ever met him because I had seen him train, years before, and I'm like, he's very talented and he's very good.
Ayon sa Philippine Olympic Committee, kung pagbabasihan ang performance at records, malakas ang laban ng mga Pinoy gymnast sa darating na Paris Olympics.
Gymnastics, of course, big chance yan. Kaloy na Aliyah, practice, focus, malaking chance.
Now that I have the opportunity to compete and to be there, I want to make the most of this opportunity that I've been giving.
Para sa GMA Integrated News, JP Soriano, nakatutok 24 oras.